Looking for the best portable table saw that delivers power, precision, and easy portability for a small workshop? Today, we're breaking down some of the best table saws for small shops and job sites, tools designed to make your cuts faster, cleaner, and more accurate. Whether you're a DIYer upgrading your garage shop or a professional working on site, stay with me to find the table saw that fits your workflow best.
Number 1. DEWALT DWE7485 8¼ Compact Job Site Table Saw. Let's start with the DEWALT DWE7485 Compact Job Site Table Saw, a popular choice for portability and accuracy. One of its standout features is the rack and pinion telescoping fence, which allows fast and precise adjustments. This helps keep every cut straight and properly aligned, even when you're working quickly. The Site Pro modular guarding system installs without tools, making blade changes and safety adjustments simple. Onboard storage keeps the miter gauge, blade guard, riving knife, push stick, and wrenches neatly organized. Built with a metal roll cage base, this saw is designed to handle tough job site conditions. At the same time, its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and set up. For both DIY users and professionals, the DWE7485 offers a strong balance of performance, safety, and convenience.
Number 2. Bosch 4100-10 10-inch Worksite Table Saw. Next is the Bosch 4100-10 10-inch Worksite Table Saw, a solid option for users who need power and mobility. It features a high-performance motor paired with a 10-inch carbide-tipped blade, delivering smooth and accurate cuts through hardwood, plywood, and framing lumber. The gravity rise wheeled stand makes transport much easier, especially if you move between job sites. Setup takes only a few seconds. With a 25-inch rip capacity and a large table surface, it handles sheet materials with good stability. The square lock rip fence helps maintain consistent, repeatable cuts. Safety features include a blade guard, riving knife, and anti-kickback pawls, helping protect you without interrupting your workflow.
Number 3. Makita 2705 10-inch Contractor Table Saw. Now let's look at the Makita 2705 Contractor Table Saw, known for its strong motor and smooth cutting performance. Its 15-amp motor spins at 4,800 RPM, providing fast and clean cuts through hardwood and plywood. Safety features include a toolless modular blade guard, an adjustable riving knife, and stowable anti-kickback pawls, all designed for controlled, stable cutting. Dual side guards add extra support, especially when working with wider boards. This saw works well in both home workshops and job sites, offering reliable ripping, cross-cutting, and bevel cuts in a compact design.
Number 4. SKIL TS6307-00 10-inch Portable Job Site Table Saw. The SKIL TS6307-00 Portable Job Site Table Saw is a practical option for users who need flexibility and easy storage. Its 15-amp motor delivers smooth cutting through common woodworking materials. With a 25.5-inch rib capacity, it can handle full sheet goods with confidence. The rack and pinion fence system allows quick and accurate fence adjustments. The folding stand sets up in seconds and stores compactly when not in use. A dust port elbow helps keep your workspace cleaner, while the anti-restart safety switch adds an extra layer of protection. This is a good choice for users who want performance without sacrificing portability.
Number 5. Hitachi C10RJ 10-inch Job Site Table Saw with Stand. Finally, we have the Hitachi C10RJ Job Site Table Saw, now sold under the Metabo HPT brand. Its 15-amp motor, running at 4,500 RPM, delivers steady power for ripping and cross-cutting thick stock. Blade height and bevel adjustments are made from the front, which saves time during setup. The large table surface and outfeed support improve material control. With an impressive 35-inch rip capacity to the right, this saw handles large panels more comfortably than many compact models. The fold-and-roll stand makes transport easier, and included accessories like the rip fence and miter gauge support accurate cutting.
If you're building a small workshop or upgrading your current setup, choosing the right table saw can make a big difference in both safety and accuracy.